Well, guys, it's time. Dad is working on snaking the 2-speed wire back out of the frame. We actually we cut it right here. There was a butt splice here anyways. I didn't want to cut the wire anywhere it wasn't already spliced, but it was spliced there. So Dad cut that a second ago. We're gonna snake that back. I'll end up taking the wiring out of the cab here in a little bit. We'll take the U-joint out, take the hydraulic line loose, and then from there on it is cut and hammer and try and separate the spring hangers and everything from the frame to get us a bare frame back here. We've already got everything set up as far as our jacks in place, jack stands in place, the engine hoist is in place holding it, everything's safe, so to speak. So let's get started. as you've seen there, if I have the camera set up right, we took and I took a cutter and cut the heads off the rivets, and then we took, oh, you've got the punch, don't you, Dad?
Yeah, you want this?
No, we're fine. We took a large punch and I held the punch against where the rivet used to be, the center of it, and we cut the head of it off. Right there. That's it. It's kind of bending a little bit. Pretty hard stuff. And then Dad took a sledgehammer and we drove them through, and now the shackle's completely loose. So, you know, the truck's no longer being supported by the spring on this side. So we will eventually take those rivets off once the axle's out of the way here. It'll be easier to access the heads of those once we get the springs out of the way. And so we've got 2 here, and we've got 2 there. You can see those. And then same thing on this side over here in the front. So we've got those to do still yet. And something I do want to mention is we did, if you've seen it, is we took some tape and wrapped around our U-joint. We done that so those caps don't come off the U-joint. Because if those caps come off the U-joint, then your little needle bearings go everywhere, and basically you lose that new U-joint, because you want to try and pick needle bearings up out of this garbage here laid on the floor. You know what you're going to get. So, all right, we'll continue.